Hi, it's Dr. Claudia Kim, cosmetic surgeon here at New Look New Life. Today we're going to talk about the Diva system by Saiton. And this is a laser vaginal rejuvenation treatment designed to restore intimate confidence, comfort, and overall feminine wellness. So the Diva Laser uses two types of energy, ablative and non-ablative, to resurface and stimulate the vaginal tissue. And what that means in simpler terms is that it gently removes the old weakened cells of the vaginal canal while encouraging the body to build new collagen and elastic fibers. Over time, the process improves the tone, the thickness, and lubrication in the vaginal walls. And it can also help with symptoms like vaginal dryness, laxity, mild urinary leakage, or incontinence and discomfort during intimacy, all of which are really common after childbirth, hormonal changes, or menopause. The laser itself is quite quick and comfortable. Topical anesthetic is applied, and then the actual laser really takes about 5 to 10 minutes. And most patients describe it as like a warm pressure with a clicking sensation. Because it's non-surgical and doesn't require downtime, you can return to normal activities the same day. We typically recommend a series of 3 treatments spaced 4 to 6 weeks apart, followed by annual maintenance sessions to keep your results long-lasting. Your provider may request an up-to-date pap smear to make sure that there are no underlying vaginal issues. After the laser treatment, you may notice some mild spotting or sensitivity for a day or two, but that resolves quite quickly with some Tylenol or Advil. And we do recommend refraining from any kind of sexual intercourse for about 2 weeks. Most patients will start to notice improvements after the first or second session, especially in the lubrication, the tightness, and overall comfort. What I personally love about Diva is that it's about reclaiming confidence, whether that means feeling more comfortable, more youthful, or more connected to yourself again. So if you've been curious about options for feminine rejuvenation but want something more gentle and non-invasive, Diva is a really effective place to start. If you like these educational videos, give me a like and a follow. Thanks.